When a Smart Car and a Chevy Tahoe both get 4-star safety ratings, you know that something isn't quite right. The two traditional rating organizations are the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. In a nutshell, these organizations rate cars based on controlled laboratory tests and not real-world data. But real-world data are better for three main reasons. First, people are not the same as dummies. We come in a lot of different shapes and sizes. Second, they only run a handful of crashes, but they can never capture the millions of crashes that occur on our roadways. Third, the ratings are given within a class, similar to wrestling matches. When the Smart Car got 4 stars, it was for the subcompact class. The Tahoe got 4 stars for the full-size SUV class. AutoGrades is the only car safety rating system based on real-world crash statistics. With AutoGrades, you can compare all types of cars. Now you can compare the Smart Car with an AutoGrade of D to the Tahoe that gets an A. This makes a lot more sense, don't you think? Find out if your car makes the grade. Visit us at theautoprofessor.com.